Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the "We couldn't verify your country" error when trying to get YouTube Premium. This problem usually happens when your location, payment method, or network does not match the country selected in your account. First, open your Google account settings and check your country profile in the Payments and Subscriptions section. Make sure the country listed there matches the country where you currently live. Next, clear your browser cache or try using a different browser or device before attempting the purchase again. Sometimes stored location data can cause verification issues. You should also disable any VPN or proxy service because YouTube may block the purchase if it detects a different location. Another important step is to check your payment method. Make sure the card or payment option you are using is issued in the same country selected in your Google Payments profile. If everything matches correctly, refresh the YouTube page and try subscribing to YouTube Premium again. Usually, this resolves the country verification error. Subscribe the channel for more videos.